Every iPhone's ringtone sounds same. There are times when you're at your workplace or at home and someone's iPhone rings and you think that is your iPhone. It happens, right? As everyone keeps their iPhones on default ringtone settings. And actually most of us don't even know that we can change our ringtones to our favorite songs or any song of your liking. It might sound weird as we are in 2022 and this is so easy on Android smartphones from a long time. If you want to set your favorite song as a ringtone on your iPhone, keep watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Go to Apple Store and download application GarageBand. It's a free application. Once downloaded, open the application. Click on Continue. Again click on Continue. Click on Allow. Now scroll on your left to see all the options. We are looking for Audio Recorder option. Click on it. Now we are in the Audio Recorder screen. Uncheck this blue triangle icon. Now click on this bricks icon. It will take you to the main editing page. Now to select your favorite song from your file or music library, click on this loop icon. You will see the option to choose your music from files or music folder. I have saved my songs on files, so I'll click on File. To choose your song, click on Browse Items from Files application. You can see here I have lots of songs already downloaded here. I can choose any song or MP3 file as my main ringtone. For this video, let's choose this song by just tapping on it. It will take a few seconds to come inside the GarageBand application. Now it's here. Now to take this song to the editing page, press and hold the MP3 song and drag it to the editing page. After you bring it to the editing page, click on the small plus icon on the right to increase the length of the song as ringtone. By default, it's 8 bar. We can do 24 bars so it can play for long. Once the bar length is set, click on Done. As you can see here, the length of the song is increased in the editing page. To do any changes to the song, simply tap on it. Now you can reduce or change the beginning of the song, how you want it to play when you will receive a call. Once you are satisfied with your changes and editing, you can play the song to check if everything is fine. Once completely edited, to export this song to your sound library, click on this down triangle icon and click on My Song option. The song will be saved here. Once it's saved here, press and hold on it. You will get some options. Choose Share option from here. You will get this menu. You can just save it as a song or project or as a ringtone. Click on the ringtone option. Here you can change the name of the song. For example, I will name it as New Ringtone. So all set, now click on Export. It will take a few seconds before it's exported. Now it's successfully exported. Click on the option of Use Sound As. You will get 3 options. You can choose as standard ringtones for every calls on your iPhone. You can also choose as a standard text message tone, or you can assign it to a particular contact. And by doing so, you will know who is calling you by just listening to the ringtone. And you can set another song as a standard ringtone after that. But for this video, I will choose it as a standard ringtone. Now go back to your iPhone settings and go to the option of sound and haptic settings. Click on ringtone. So you can see over here that the new ringtone is assigned as my main ringtone for every calls. Now let me call myself to see if it's working. Let's increase the sound to the maximum. And here we are guys, so I have managed to successfully change my ringtone, and in the same manner you can download your favorite song and make it your ringtone on your iPhone. So that's it for this video guys. I really hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Also you can share this video to your friends and family so they can save their favorite song as their ringtone. Hope to see you all in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.
Yeah.